Lesson 51, Smart Art and Wordart word drills. Task number 1 is to insert a Smart Art. So choose the Insert tab, Smart Art. It's under the Relationship category, and we're looking for Converging Radial. And once you click it, you should get a screen tip, but if not, when you click it, it says over here the name of it and a brief description of when you would use this type of diagram, and then click OK. The next thing we'll do is we're going to click and type, so this will be the left, so this will be technical skills, and it will shrink to fit, so don't worry about it. Click the next one, so this is the top, and this will be the right, and then the bottom. Change the theme, so design, themes, and they would like slate. Key the following text. Again, you have to click inside. Check your work, and then continue. Select, you don't have to select the text, but be on the line with the text. Go into Styles, More, and choose Title. Click below the title, and you're going to insert a block cycle Smart Art. Insert Smart Art, and this is under Cycle and Radio. Oh, here it is, block cycle, and OK. Add a shape, just right click on any shape, choose Add and Shape After. Again, we're going to type the text in each one, so we'll start at the top. And then click the next, we'll go clockwise. You can scroll down a little bit. And the last one. We're going to insert a word art. Insert, it's under Text, Word Art, and this is the one I want. It's a pretty long name. Fill, black, text 1, outline, background 1, hard shadow, background 1. That's the one you want. Click out, and as they want you to type happy birthday to you with an exclamation. Select all of the text that you just typed, go into Drawing Tools Format, and we're going to go into Word Art Styles, Text Fill, Dark Red. And then we're going to go back into, triple click it, back into Drawing Tools Format, under Word Art Styles, this time Text Effects, Bevel, and then they want one that's called Art Deco. And then click anywhere outside of the word art. And again, triple click the word art, and we're going to change the font. So Text Effects, under Transform, and they want Triangle Up. Then click the, you don't have to triple click it, we're just changing the size of it. So the height will be 1.5, enter, and the width will be 5.5, enter. Select the picture, and you want to change the layout to be square text wrapping. And you are done.